Okay, while we're under here, we've got this Mark IV shift box already mounted. I'll show you a few still pictures, kind of how we got there, but it's a simple installation. We took out the insulated liner that was in here. One of the reasons is we need to get our exhaust pipe to actually travel through this space. Also, there is a hidden exhaust hanger that would be underneath there that I needed to get out of the way, so we trimmed that off. Boxes run through here. This is not in your way, it can stay there. I like to run the lines under the steering rack, or between the steering rack and the body. You can run them underneath as well. Either way is fine. This just kind of helps me keep them out of the way of the header without having to zip tie them over to basically nothing over here. So we have those, we have them run already, so we don't have to fight with the box and the transmission while we're installing it, so they're just tucked out of the way for now. Pretty much everything else is done. We are ready to put this motor in place. So there's a height difference between where the Mark I shift rod finishes and where the Mark IV shift rod will finish at the when you're installing it from underneath. To solve this, I cut a section of the Mark I shift rod off, cut a section of the Mark IV shift rod off, and then weld the two together, and that gives me a finished height as the same as what the Mark I would have been, plus I get the threaded portion so that I can still use my Mark I shift knob. Quick coat of paint, and you can see more in depth on how to use our undermount shift box adapter for the Mark I in another video on our YouTube page.